Programming your BMW 328i key fob for remote or comfort access requires understanding the current state of BMW's key technology. Official BMW support favors smartphone-based digital key apps. But for older models like the 328i from 2007 to 2013, you'll likely use a physical fob and OBD2 diagnostic tools. Dealership access is limited due to part scarcity, so you'll need a programmable fob, an OBD2 adapter, and software like BMW Coding Tool or VCDS. Key fobs are paired to your car's ECU and CAS module. Comfort Access adds proximity sensors for hands-free use. Without the required tools, professional help will be required. The process begins by connecting an OBD2 adapter to the vehicle's diagnostic port under the dashboard. Next, enter the vehicle using an existing working key. Then, cycle the ignition by turning the key to the on position and back off. Finally, use diagnostic software connected via the adapter to program the new fob. BMW 328i models use CAS 3 3+ security systems, so ensure your fob is compatible. Common issues include ignition lockout from incorrect steps and encryption problems with non-genuine fobs. While trends favor digital keys through smartphone apps, affordable OBD2 tools remain effective for 328i owners. Success rates are high with proper tools, but errors can damage the CAS module. Consider warranty risks and consult professionals when needed.